ganyan. So, hindi mo ba alam na gine-record ka ba na yon?
Ng ano?
Gine-record kita na yon. Naglalaro tayo.
Okay.
Sige. Yan guys, punta tayo dyan para dali. So, gawin natin dyan guys is para makain yan. Sack Queen. Yan. Protected.
Are you using my old move?
Anong old move? I-movie kita na
You're using
yun.
my old move since I was grade 5. You're using my old foot. You're using my
Dyan,
old move
dyan.
since I was
Pwede yan. Tas kung bali dyan. Isipin ko muna. Ilabas ito para makadevelop. Yan, develop tayo. Makain yan. Siyempre, trade.
The fuck, I'm confused. The hell? I thought you were gonna kill my horse. I thought you were gonna kill my bishop. The hell, I'm confused. Shit, damn.
Boy, ganyan tactic.
Wait, let me see that.
Confusion is my tactic, my bros.
But confusion in chess
Dyan.
doesn't work sometimes. So you have to figure it out. If you keep doing confusion, that will never work in chess.
Dyan. Kain dyan. Pwede yan. Tas, ikuhan ko na lang to. Labas. Pwede yan, kainin. Free horse. Na same time tayo nagsabi. Free horse. Kabayot. Uy, libreng kabayot. Oh, hindi mo makita. Makain ko lang man kabayot. Yun o, kabayot. Kabayot. Pwede rin magpunta tayo dyan. Baka i-block niya lang ng bishop. Tapos kainin niya lang ng queen. Anong move yan?
You don't know. That is the Gokesh move.
Anong Gukesh?
You don't know who is Gokesh?
Sino si Gukesh?
Gokesh is the top 1 Indian player who beat Magnus Carlsen.
Sino? Anong nationality natin? Pilipino. Oh.
Pilipinas.
Anong Pilipina? Anong Pilipinot? Pinot ko gani yung kuwan mo.
Philippines, of course. Pilipinas.
Sabi nila pipino daw.
Tara mag-trade queen tayo.
Sige, trade. O yan, may pipino. Philip Pipino.
There's a check.
Check.
I see a check from here.
Yes, meron talaga makita. Ito, sayang. Move there.
I'm in serious mode right now.
Seryoso mo?
Yes.
Cheese mo. Dito tayo. Para makain yan dyan.
What? I cannot eat you?
Bro, because you can't eat me because I am tao man kasi ako, hindi man ako pagkain.
Yeah.
Oo. Kung bagay ka, dapat kuan ka. Gwapal. Uy, kung gusto mo talaga, maggwapa ka na lang. Diba? Tama ka. Tama na nga, ah. Somali Pirates. May mga Somali. Sino magsali?
Sano?
Somali ka?
Sano?
Somali pirate ka?
Pilot?
Oo.
Sa old school mo?
Hindi pilot ka. Taga-pilot ka dati.
Hindi.
Masaya.
Taga Marawi ako. Akip University.
Cebuana ako.
Like Naim, like Bimbi. He is half Maranao and half, I mean, quarter Maranao.
Water Marano?
5% Maranao, 5% Laranon.
Ako,
90% Maguindanao.
ako, 12.5% American. American ako. Half American.
Grabe naman, American.
Oh, American kasi sabi nila mga Amerikano matalino. Kasi matalino ako. Kasi yung nanay ng kasi yung great grandmother ko is Amerikano. Pure American.
Okay, well, so I'm American.
Ano American ka?
I am American, diba? I am American.
Saudi Arabian ka?
I speak perfect English. Saudi Arabia knows to speak English, you know. Saudi Arabia always talks English and Arabic. That's why my English is like very big. I don't speak English sometimes.
So you don't speak English. So
Wait, my turn?
wait, your turn na. You're wasting your time. Okay. I move here.
I just wasted 1 minute.
You wasted your 1 minuto.
What did you do?
Do what? Attention. Parang the same level lang pa tayo.
You have defeated my level 1, but you never defeated my level 2.
Ano yan? Kuan yan? Goat?
What?
Puta. Ang ganda-ganda yan.
Strike, wrong move. Free bishop. Ay, hindi. About the way.
Hindi yan free bishop. Pagpunta ko dyan.
Go to MVP.
Training niya yan.
And go left. Ay, E4. God.
Siya dito. Tama para pwede yan.
I thought the ship. And first bishops. No contracts.
Trap is with
Trap.
triangle.
And the bishop, I would sacrifice my to give you a rook.
Cook or rook.
Rook. You can hear me?
Nah, bruh.
And I want to trade. Oh, roll a straight. You have nowhere else to go.
Kain niya.
Asking about that. You don't know where to go.
I know what to go. Sige, try tayo trade.
That's what I'm at.
So, delikado ang move ko na yun yung gina-represent ko na yun. Because this move is very powerful. This can target the king, the bishop, at the same time. I move here,
I can talk to the king.
check,
I didn't realize that.
move here, check, pag kinain mo, kainin ko.
Ah, shit.
Ba't pasabot? Leonardo da Vinci is opening. So, gawain ko lang. Mali ang move mo kasi dyan. Mali ang move mo.
Bro, now you're touching me?
Hindi kasi dapat ang ginawa mo, kinain mo yan. kinain mo para pag i-move ko forward yung pan ko on from yung F8 ko, pag i-move ko yan, promote ko yung queen, makain ko pa rin yan. So, bali, malik ka na yun. Kita mo na? Do you see that powerful piece in D8? Ah, kaganda-ganda ng panahon ko na yun. So, bali, ang gawain ko na yun is to surprise attack you. Because, if you do not... bahala. Mathematic. Wala na. So, ang gawain ko na yun is... checkmate. Simple lang man yan. Checkmate.
No. Mag-rematch tayo.
Yo. Dahil lang.
Again. How to rematch again? Rematch.
Rematch.
How am I black? I did it right.